Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can clean the main brush in the Roomba Robot 405. So in the first step we have to flip the appliance on the back, push these two green elements to remove the brush cover. Then remove the brush from the socket and just clean it with the cleaning tool that you should find in your dock station next to the back. Then clean it manually, don't use the water or other detergents, and put it back in the right place. Then close the cover. Okay, now it's okay. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.